20 fun fact about animals that's surprising you. Number 1. Mosquitoes are the world's deadliest animal, killing more people than any other creature because of the diseases they transmit. CDC.gov. Number 2. Flamingos are only pink because of compounds called carotenoids found in the algae and fish that consume the algae they eat. When they're born, their feathers are grayish-white. Number 3. Koala fingerprints are sufficiently similar to human fingerprints that they have been misidentified at crime scenes. Number 4. Elephants are the only animals that do not have the ability to jump. Number 5. When provided in conjunction with hand signs or gestures, dogs acquire verbal orders considerably more quickly. Number 6. The blue whale is the size of 30 elephants and is 3 Greyhound buses long. Number 7. Female dragonflies will frequently pretend to die in order to escape mating. Number 8. A bat has the ability to consume up to 1,000 insects each hour. Number 9. President Theodore Roosevelt is honored with a teddy bear. A stuffed animal manufacturer decided to build a bear and name it after the president after he declined to shoot a captive black bear on a hunt. NPS.gov. Number 10. Giraffes, like humans, have 7 bones in their necks. Number 11. Seahorses mate for life and are monogamous. Number 12. A tarantula spider can go without nourishment for more than 2 years. Number 13. Dogs have a 100,000-fold better sense of smell than humans, but only 1/6 the number of taste buds. Number 14. The first non-human mammal to be shown to be able to maintain a beat is a sea lion. Number 15. Elephants have a unique alarm call that is interpreted as human. Number 16. Gorillas can acquire colds and other diseases from humans. Number 17. Farm owners in China produce close to half of a world's pigs. Number 18. The bat is the only mammal which has the ability to fly. Number 19. Cows have a single large stomach that is divided into 4 compartments to allow them to go through the various stages of digestion. Number 20. Hummingbirds are the only species known to be capable of flying backwards.